This is our 7th example of 10. 8th example of 10. Yeah, 8th example of 10. Here we're going to move into the quotient rule and use the chain rule on top of it. So here clearly we have a quotient where we have sine over cosine, different angles, so no, it is not tangent. These are different angles, so true quotient rule here. We apply the low d high. Now notice when I did high, low was cosine 7h, d high, derivative of sine is cosine, 5h, and then there's the chain. The derivative of what was in the parentheses was 5. Minus high, sine 5h, d low, the derivative of cosine is negative sine 7h. Once again, we have that chain, then the derivative of the angle is 7, over the denominator squared. And so really there's only one thing I can do here. I bring this 5 to the front, and then I pull a negative out of here, so this becomes a positive, and I move that 7 to the front. As you look at this, you may be thinking something like a sum or difference formula. In order to use a sum or difference formula for a trig identity, these have to have the same value in the front. This would have to be a 7 here, this would have to be a 7, or they both have to be a 5. There's nothing I can do to change those to make them the same. So it has a great similarity to a sum or difference formula, but I can't do anything with it. And so there's my final answer. dy dx equals all that goodness.